Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I just want to talk about a topic that is dear to my heart, and this is coming from the questions that I get in my inbox, in my email, my LinkedIn inbox. And I have a lot of young professionals who study courses in the oil and gas industry related to the oil and gas industry, like geology, petroleum engineering, and most of them are confused. They don't know what to do based on the trend that they've seen in this industry. The most recent one that just happened between 2014 and 2016, and many countries are still having the effects of the last downturn in the oil and gas industry. So most of these professionals are confused. They don't know if they should continue to pursue a career in the oil and gas industry, or should they branch out, or should they learn new skills. So most times they come to my profile, they see that I studied geology in the university. Then how come you're a software engineer today? So this is a decision that I made, and I said, why should I keep suffering because of the history that always is just there? Every 7 to 8 years, or even less than that, there's always a story. While these companies, oil and gas companies, will fire their staff, they'll let go a lot of highly skilled professionals. And because most of these professionals have skills that just centered only around that industry, so most times they find it very difficult to transfer the skills that they have from oil and gas industry to a different sector of the economy. So I'm just going to give my honest opinion. If you just graduated and you study, let's say, geology or petroleum engineering or any other oil and gas related course, and you're confused, you don't know what to do, I'll just give you my honest opinion. You have to decide if you take it, or or you take it with a pinch of salt. Okay. So what I did after I saw this trend, and I didn't want to continue in this industry with my geology degree because it's very risky, and I moved to a new country and found that the jobs that are selling, available jobs, are jobs in the tech sector, and most of them I had to fill. I had to learn to program. So I'm not saying you should go and everybody should go and learn to program, but if you really want to branch out, or you want to get another skill that'll make you stand out, even if you want to be in the technology sector, go learn a software in your field that is very relevant to what you do. That will help you to be a better candidate, that will add value, and that doesn't have to be trained all the way from scratch. You could learn to program. That is another skill that you could use in the industry, or you could use it in any industry, because I really don't see, some people say technology sector. I don't see any technology as a sector. I see it as a very valuable part of every business now. Businesses from health sector, hospitality, finance, companies are building and advancing their businesses using the technologies that are available today. So my question is, if automobile companies that make cars today, they are showcasing their latest models of electric cars, and is already out in the market. There are many more electric cars coming up into the market. Do you still see a future in this industry? Please don't get me wrong. People have really had great career in the oil and gas sector, but because of some of the people that ask me questions, that's why I'm trying to use this video to answer, give that answer out there, so that as many of you that are still battling with this question and don't know what to do, you could learn one or two things from what I'm going to say here today, what I'm saying here today. So if in the next 10 years, I don't know the statistics, but the way I'm seeing the trend, there are so many electric cars that are going to be in the market. The crude oil, that runs on, or the oil or the gas that runs on the current vehicles that we already have today. You know that these vehicles are going to be phased out, and the majority of the revenue that is made from the oil and gas industry is in the part of the crude oil that is used in the vehicles, right? So if you're planning to have a career and retire, maybe it will work out, maybe it will not, but learn a new skill. I'm not saying you're going to go back to the university again if you don't want to. There are so many online courses on lynda.com, which is a LinkedIn learning platform, Udemy or Skillshare or Teachable, and most of these courses are just for the price of lunch. It's just for the price of the next shoe you're going to buy, which you may not even need. So why not use it, invest it in yourself? Learn a new skill. You could learn how to program, learn one language. If you check on my website, I have a detailed article on how you can learn, easiest way to learn Python, how you can get your first job in the technology industry, how to change your career or how to switch your career if you so wish. So check out my website, mindsetnuggets.com, and you see a lot of valuable articles I've written about this. So let's continue. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that next time when I publish new video, you will be able to get a notification. So let's continue. Another reason is, if so many people, let's say in your class you graduate, there are 50 people that graduated, all of you have the same skill. Maybe not all of you have the same experience, because some of you may have had very great internships. Who do you think would have a better advantage? Someone that has that geology degree and a programming skill, or somebody that just have that one degree or just that one skill? So you do the calculation yourself. You know the person that will be chosen, right? So learn a new skill. And it's not just programming. Everything is not about looking for a job. If you have what it takes to start a business, you can do it. The most important thing is to start a business. I have an article I wrote, and the subject is after school, what next? You could start a business. If you don't know how to, there are lots of online courses, or you could go for a business management certificate course, or if you have the resources, go for an MBA. That is a great way to secure your future. Start a business. We need people that will create solutions in this world. Yeah. We need you. We need your skills. So this is my honest advice or my honest opinion to you, and I hope this will help you make a decision. And if you have questions, please send them in the comment sections below. And yeah, I hope you have a great career, and I hope you achieve your dreams. And thank you for listening. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you once again.